minds. Welcome to another exciting journey through the land of letters. I'm Mia, and today, we're unlocking the secrets of the letter K. Get ready for a whirlwind adventure as we explore the wonders it holds. K is for key. K is for king. K is for kite. And K is for kangaroo. Now, let us learn to write the letter K. Watch closely as I guide you through it. Start at the top, make a diagonal line down to the right, then another one from the top left to meet it. There you have it, the letter K. You're doing terrific. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at writing the letter K just like that. And that essay wrap on our kaleidoscopic K adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring keys, watching roaring kings, flying kites, and play with kangaroos with the letter K. Keep uncovering, because K is all around you.
Thank you for joining Mia on this colorful K adventure. Stay tuned for more kaleidoscopic alphabet explorations. Until then, see you and have a good day.